how to insert dual SIM card and memory card in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So if you want to insert a SIM card and a memory SD in your SIM slot on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, then I'll show you. First, you will have this kind of interface, right? So this is the SIM slot of your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So you will have this kind of a SIM slot. Now you will have two spaces. So this is the upper space where you can insert the SD card, or if you don't have an SD card, then you can also insert your SIM halfway through the space. And if you flip this SIM slot, then you will have another interface of inserting your SIM. In this interface, you can add your memory card or your SIM card. You can insert both of them. So in this way, you will be able to insert the SIM card and also the memory card in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.